नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN, Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, the faculty of FPD. Today's topic is diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a group of metabolic disease in which there are high blood sugar level over a prolonged period. Symptoms of high blood sugar include frequent urination, increased thirst, and increased hunger. If left untreated, diabetes can cause many complications: uh, ketoacidosis, non-ketotic hyperosmolar coma, or death. Serious long-term complications include heart disease, stroke, chronic kidney failure, foot ulcer, and damage to the eyes. Diabetes is due to either the pancreas not producing enough insulin or the cell of the body not responding properly to the insulin produced. There are the three main type of diabetes mellitus: type first, type second, gestational diabetes. T1 result from the pancreas failure to produce enough insulin. This form was previously referred to the insulin dependent diabetes mellitus for juvenile diabetes, also known as unknown. Cause is unknown. Diabetes 2 being with the insulin resistance, a condition in which cell fail to respond the insulin properly. This form was previously referred to as non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus or adult onset diabetes. The primary cause is excessive body weight and not enough exercise. Gestational diabetes is the third main form occurring in pregnant women without a previous history of diabetes. The comparison of the type 1st and type 2nd diabetes. Type 1st diabetes is sudden, type 2nd diabetes is gradual, mostly in children. Type 1st diabetes, mostly in adult. Type 2 diabetes, thin or normal. Type 1st diabetes, often obese. Type 2 diabetes, common in type 1st diabetes, rare in type 2 diabetes, is usually present होती है ऑटो एंटीबॉडीज़ टाइप फर्स्ट में और ऑटो एंटीबॉडीज एब्सेंट होती है टाइप सेकंड में. एंडोजीनस इंसुलिन लो और एब्सेंट होता है टाइप फर्स्ट डायबिटीज़ में और नॉर्मल और डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज होता है टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ में. कॉन्कोरोडेंस एंड आइडेंटिकल ट्विंस 50% इन टाइप फर्स्ट और 90% टाइप 2. प्रिवलेंस 110% फर्स्ट में और सेकंड में 90%. Sign and symptom. The classical symptom of untreated diabetes are weight loss, polyuria, increased urination, polydyspia, increased thirst, polyphagia, increased hunger. Symptom may be develop rapidly week or month in diabetes first, with while they usually develop much more slowly and may be subtle or absent in type 2 diabetes mellitus. In addition, they are including blur vision, headache, fatigue, slow healing of cut, and itchy skin. Prolonged high blood glucose can cause glucose absorption in the lane of the eyes, lens of the eyes, which lead to change in its shape, resulting in vision changes. A number of skin rashes that can occur in diabetes are collectively known as diabetic dermatomes. All from the diabetes increase the risk of long-term complications. These typically develop after many years, 10 to 20. The major long-term complications related to damage the blood vessel. Diabetes double the risk of cardiovascular disease. About 75% of death in diabetes are due to coronary artery disease. Other macrovascular disease, stroke, peripheral vascular disease. Complication. The primary complication of diabetes due to damage in small blood vessel, including damage of the eyes, kidney, and nerve. Damage to the eyes, known as diabetic retinopathy, is caused by damage to the blood vessels in the retina of the eye and can result in gradual vision loss and blindness. Damage to the kidney, known as diabetic neuropathy, can lead to tissue scarring, urine protein loss, and eventually chronic kidney disease, sometimes require dialysis or kidney transplant. Damage to the nerve of the body, known as diabetic neuropathy, is the most common complication of diabetes. The symptom can include numbness, tingling, pain, altered pain sensation, which can lead to damage to the skin. Diabetes related foot problems such as diabetic foot ulcer may occur and can be difficult to treat, occasionally require amputation. Additionally, proximal diabetic neuropathy causes painful muscles, wasting and weakness, diabetic amyotrophy. Pathophysiology Journal. Insulin is the principal hormone that regulates the uptake of glucose from the blood into cells of the body, especially liver, adipose tissue, and muscles, except smooth muscles in which insulin acts via the IGF first. Therefore, deficiency of insulin or the insensitivity of its receptor play a central role in all forms of diabetes mellitus. Pathophysiology. The body obtains glucose from three main places: the intestinal absorption of food, the breakdown of glycogen, the storage from glucose found in the liver, glucose glucokinesis, the generation of the glucose from non-carbohydrate substance in the body. Insulin play a critical role in balancing glucose level in the body. It can inhibit the breakdown of glycogen or the process of glucogenesis. It can stimulate the transport of glucose into fat and muscle cells. It can stimulate the storage of glucose in the form of glycogen. Insulin is released into the blood by beta cell found in the islet of the Langerhans in the pancreas in response of the rising level of the blood glucose. Typically after eating, low glucose levels result in decreased insulin release from the beta cells and result in breakdown of glycogen to glucose. The process is mainly controlled by the hormone glucagon, which act in the opposite manner to insulin. The emergency management: hypoglycemia, initial sign, mood change, decreased spontaneity, hunger and weakness, followed by sweating, incoherence, tachycardia, result in unconsciousness, hypotension, hypothermia, seizure, coma, even death. Emergency management: 15 gram of fast acting oral carbohydrate, measure blood sugar, loss of consciousness 20 to 30 ml, dextrose solution IV over 3-minute period, glucagon 1 mg. Severe hyperglycemia, a prolonged onset ketoacidosis, may develop with nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and acetone odor. Difficult to different hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia need medical intervention and insulin administration, while emergency give glucose first. A small amount is unlikely to cause significant harm. Can be diagnosed by the demonstrate any one of the following: fasting plasma glucose level greater than 7.0 mmol, plasma glucose 11.1 mm OL. Symptom of the high blood sugar and causal plasma glucose 11.1 mmol. Glycerate hemoglobin 48 mmol. Oral glucose tolerance test measure the body ability to metabolism glucose, most commonly done to check the gestational diabetes. The patient is asked to take a glucose drink and other blood glucose level is measured before and at interval after the sugary drink is taken. For the standard glucose tolerance test, we should drink 75 grams or 100 grams. OGTT result: people without diabetes, fasting value before test under 6 mmol per liter, after 2 hours under 7.8 mm. People with impaired glucose tolerance, fasting value before test 0.0 7.0 mmol per liter, 2 hours 7.9 to 11 mmol per liter. Diabetic level fasting value before rest mmol per liter at 2 hours over 11.0 mmol per liter. Management: lifestyle, good nutrition, regular exercise, diet control to maintain blood pressure, medication or surgery, pancreas transplant, kidney transplantation, weight loss surgery.